Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is an elegant tablescape video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies and gentlemen this elegant tablescape video. Now, this tablescape is a tablescape that I just absolutely love. And it really reminds me as if you're having dinner at the Palace of Versailles or a French chateau. Because of the color combination, because of the ivory and the gold, I think there is a very opulent look with that color combination. And I really think it is just gorgeous with the crystal elements and the gold and the ivory. It's just a really elegant tablescape. And this tablescape can be used for the holidays. It can be used all year round. It can be used for birthday parties. So again, it's a very versatile, but I just love it because it really reminds me of the Palace of Versailles. It reminds me of a French chateau. So I'm just really excited about it. But before I get into all of the details of this tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do tablescape videos, gardening videos, how to entertain at home video, and home decor videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all. And also, I do post new videos every Sunday, but throughout the week, I usually post an extra video. So that's the reason why it is so important to click on that notification bell. So that way, you will know when I post new videos on my channel. And also, you can definitely follow me on Facebook. I do have a Facebook group, and I'm planning to do a live video this Sunday in my Facebook group at 7 o'clock. So I'll be talking about, various subjects that is about home decor and about YouTube. So definitely join my Facebook group if you have a Facebook account. I will be doing a live video on YouTube pretty soon because I know a lot of you do not have a Facebook account. So I am planning to do a live video here on YouTube, and I'm excited about it. And I'm also planning to do a live video on Instagram as well. So I'll give all of the dates and the information for the live videos in another video when I'm planning it, but I'll definitely do a live video here on YouTube and Instagram. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And also I do have a blog. For those of you who do not have Facebook, you can definitely follow me on the blog. And even if you do have Facebook, you can definitely follow my blog as well for more content. Okay, so I am excited about this tablescape, and I am going to go over all of the details of this beautiful tablescape. Okay, everyone, so here is this beautiful tablescape that I have in front of me right here. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It really have the look of the Palace of Versailles. It looked like a French chateau, as you can see. I just love how it looks. It looks very regal, it looks very opulent, and that is the type of look that I just love. So all of the items that you see in today's tablescape, I'm going to go over all of them, and I'm going to see if I can link some of them in my Amazon store. So definitely check out my Amazon store if you want to copy this tablescape. Okay, so I am going to go over the inspiration on what basically inspired me to do this tablescape. So my inspiration for this beautiful tablescape is this tablecloth. And this tablecloth really reminds me of the Palace of Versailles. It reminds me of a French chateau. It reminds me of the fabric that I usually see in pictures and in videos of the Palace of Versailles, of a French chateau, and it just looks so pretty. It looks so beautiful, and it has the color gold and ivory, and it is just gorgeous. And there's lots of intricate details in this tablecloth, and this was basically my inspiration for this tablescape. Now, another item that is very inspirational for this tablecloth as well is this beautiful, beautiful charger plate. As you can see, it looks very, very beautiful, very pretty, and I just love all of the details. And the tablecloth and the charger plate, my mom and I got at Amazon. So I'll definitely be linking everything that is from Amazon at Amazon, and I'm also going to be linking all of the items that look kind of, some of the items that I have are old, and so I'll see if I can find something very similar and link it in my Amazon store too. So now, here is the plates that I am using. So here is the plates, and as you can see, the plates go really, really well with the tablecloth. I just love this plate. It looks so pretty. And this is a set. And it came with some teacups and saucers. It also came with a teapot, and I'll be linking that as well. And here is the soup bowl. And I just think that this set looks so pretty. And I love how everything looks together. It looks so pretty. And here is also the napkin and also the napkin ring. Really, really pretty. And I love the detail on the napkin ring as well, and also the napkins. Okay, so what I did was I just folded the napkin and put it in the napkin ring and make it into a bow and put it in an angle like this. And I just think that it is so pretty. Now, as far as the silverware, I am actually using Royal Doulton silverware. And the glass cup right here, the crystal glass for drinking water, is from Gorham. And this is another crystal glass. Now, this one in particular, I forgot the name of the company that makes this, but I'm going to see if I can find the link for it and post the link in my Amazon store. And it's just gorgeous. I think it looks really, really pretty with the tablecloth. And I just love the detail of this wine glass. It looks so, so pretty. And so this is how it looks. And of course, when my guests arrive, they're going to be seeing this. And I love using this angel that's holding the pedestal. I love using this. I think it is just so, so pretty. It really elevates the tablescape. And I'm going to see if I can also find something very similar to this and post it in my Amazon store. My mom and I got this a long, long time ago in, I forgot what store we got this from. I think we got this at Macy's or Dillard's. I forgot the store. I think either Macy's or Dillard's, but I am going to see if I can find it and post it in my Amazon store or leave a link down below in the description box for it. And we also have some chandelle bras. I have one here and I have another type here at the end. Again, the crystal one and then the one that is in gold and crystal. And it has some marble on there, and I just think it looks so beautiful, and it just goes really, really nice together with the tablescape. Now, the table runner that I'm using is a gold table runner. It goes perfectly, beautifully with the tablecloth as well. And I also decided to use this right here. And I added right over here just to kind of bring a little bit of interest to the tablescape. And I also added another crystal element right over here at the end. Again, to kind of bring a little bit of an opulent look to the tablescape. And I think this is so gorgeous. Now, this type of tablescape would be perfect for all year round. It's perfect for a birthday party. It's perfect for the holidays. And of course, for the holiday season, you can definitely add more things that are pertaining to Christmas or things that are pertaining to New Year's or any type of holiday that you are celebrating. Definitely, you can add more elements in here. Again, this would be the perfect tablescape for an elegant dinner party that you're putting for your friends and family. And I just think this is such a beautiful tablescape. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful tablescape. I will be doing more tablescapes, and also I will be doing more content, especially for the holidays. I'll be putting up my Christmas tree, and so I wanted to share with all of you basically what type of Christmas tree I'm using and what type of ornaments that I'll be using for my Christmas decor. And I will be doing some tablescapes for Christmas and for New Year's and for the holidays. And also I'll be doing some cooking videos. And so I do have a recipe that I do want to share with all of you. And I know I've been talking about it, so I am planning to do this recipe, and I cannot wait for me to share this wonderful recipe with all of you. And I hope you enjoyed today's tablescape. And I'll be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.